Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you how to create this beautiful Diwali soft glam makeup look with bold kohl eyes. So if you are interested in seeing how to achieve this look, then please keep on watching. First, I'm using this glow boosting serum from TAC. It gives a boost of hydration, it evens out your skin tone. And next, I'm doing my all-time favorite hack. I'm gonna mix my Pond's moisturizer with the Pond's Hyaluronic acid serum. All you have to do is mix it really well, apply it all over your face and neck, then wait for 2 to 3 minutes to let that product sink in, and this will give you the most hydrated and glowy skin ever. My skin is not skinning today, and also I forgot to apply primer. Next, I mixed the hyaluronic acid serum with the K Beauty foundation. It gives a very glowy, dewy, natural looking base. Also, it blends beautifully into the skin and doesn't look heavy or cakey throughout the day. I've been loving recently this Mars Cancel Concealer. I love the finish of it. It gives a very glowy, dewy, natural looking finish. It's hydrating, it doesn't crack or crease, blends beautifully into the skin like a butter, and most importantly, it doesn't dry out my under eyes. It's time to use a loose powder to set the base makeup into place. I'm using the Maybelline one. It's very finely milled, has a little bit of coverage as well, and sets your makeup into place without looking too heavy or cakey. I use a makeup fixer to lock the base makeup into place, and also it deals with all of the powderiness that I have. Now to fill in the gaps of my brows, I'm going to use this brow pencil from Mars. Next, for my eyes, I'm going to use this Anastasia Soft Glam palette. It's a very simple eye makeup look. First, I'm using a beautiful golden shade all over my eyelid, and next I'm going to take a transition color and apply it all over my crease to define my crease. Blending it really well so that there is no harsh edges. Now coming to the star of the show, which is this green eyeshadow pencil from K Beauty. I'm gonna use it on my waterline. I'm gonna tightline my eyes with it. I'm gonna create a thick line with it as I use a Kohl pencil, and also I'm gonna wing it out on the outer corners of my eyes. Here I'm using an angular brush to smudge out the edges so that there is no harsh line. Then completing the entire eye makeup look with curling my lashes and applying 2 coats of mascara. I recently got this blush from Mars. I love how beautiful the color is. Also, it's very pigmented, but it's buildable and blendable. For highlight, I'm using this Maybelline Master Chrome in the shade Molten Gold, and if you are an OG makeup lover, you know how beautiful and stunning the formulation is. Lastly, I'm going to use this nude lipstick from Inside Cosmetics. I love how beautiful the shade is. Also, it's very comfortable and transfer proof. So yeah, that's it. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. All of the product details, links, everything is mentioned in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Wish you all a very happy Diwali, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.